juicy dates, 100 milliliters of water, 150 grams of peanut butter, and 200 grams of dark chocolate, which will need to be melted. But now let's get started. Place dates in a pot and cover them with 100 milliliters of water. Boil them on a medium heat by constantly mixing until all water has been absorbed and dates have become soft and sticky. Place all ingredients in the food processor, which are your prepared dates, peanut butter, and melted chocolate. Process for a couple of minutes until all ingredients are well combined and mixture is smooth. Place the mixture in the brownie tray, which is approximately 6 inches. Even it out, and if you wish, you can decorate it with some sea salt flakes. Place the brownie tray in the freezer for at least 2 hours until it firms up. Once that's done, take it out of the freezer, cut it in squares, and you're ready to go. And here is our delicious and a little bit healthier peanut butter fudge. I really hope you like this recipe and you're going to try it out. You can find all the details below this video. Click like, and if you haven't subscribed to my